Hello friends, today we will generate the images from OpenAI using PHP Curl. We are not using any PHP package or plugin to call the API. We are just using the curl method to call the API. So you just need to give the text for the image and number of images you want to generate. So let me give you the example. I have written enjoy weekend and I have given number of images generated is 9. So when I submit it, the form will submit this text and the number to the API, and then it will generate the images. So as you can see what are the nice images the OpenAI has generated. So that's it. Only just you need to give the text and the number of images you want to generate. So furthermore, you can check the documentation. If you have the sign up on the OpenAI, you can just go to the API reference and click on images and then create images and go to the documentation. Just need to call the curl and pass the parameters, the prompt, new text, number of images, and of course the size. These three are mandatory, and when you give all these three, it will give you the response like this. So in our case, we have given 9 images. So it has generated 9 images. Or you can try some more examples like hello world, and now we will create only 4 images. Submit, and let's see what the OpenAI will give you. See, so enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can check the documentation, enjoy the other features of the OpenAI. Thank you.